1-1.
And then we have it, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for your winners. Wow, this guy is so surprised. Well done. Congratulations. Big man, well done. Who chose you?
Congratulations.
He can spot a champion from a mile away. Brothers, come on. Yes, well done. Because you made the effort to put on the jersey and etc. Guys, do they deserve a consolation prize? You won one, right?
You guys are really so generous. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Here you go as well. Congratulations. Well done. Well, keep the energy up, and I love it.
Yes, and I think let all of you to chill a bit. Alright, I know you guys keep thinking about free medals. Alright, chill a bit. And we let the pro players to rest a bit for as well. So ladies and gentlemen, now I am going to present to you our Miami Dance crew.
ladies and gentlemen, and with that, we are back once again at our Legends Showdown. The Miami Pickleball Club Legends Tour right here in Malaysia. If you guys are excited for the second interval, make some noise.
Because when we are not holding pedals, you guys can go like this only. Alright? Can we do more? Can we do more after some performance? Okay, slightly better. So we have the gender doubles just now. It is time for mixed doubles.
Alright, so from Team Malaysia, we summon Jimmy Leong and Mia Azizo.
And ladies and gentlemen, from Miami Pickleball Club Legends Tour Pro Team, we have Federico Satrud and Hurricane Tyra Black.